Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Imagine the sizzling sound as plump shrimp hit hot olive oil, the aroma of garlic filling your kitchen. That's the essence of Gambas al Pil Pil, a classic Spanish tapa. It's a dish that takes you straight to the sun-drenched coast of Andalusia, where it originated. This popular starter is known for its incredibly simple preparation and surprisingly explosive flavors. You don't need many ingredients to create this beloved dish, just fresh shrimp, garlic, good olive oil, and a touch of chili. Get ready to experience a taste sensation that's sure to impress. The humble origins of Gambas al Pil Pil. Have you ever wondered about the story behind your favorite dishes? Gambas al Pil Pil, a true Spanish classic, has a history as rich and flavorful as the dish itself. It started as a simple meal for hard-working fishermen and grew into a beloved tapa. From fishing boats to kitchen tables, this iconic shrimp dish didn't begin in fancy restaurants. Its roots are firmly planted in the coastal towns of Andalusia, especially along the bustling ports of Malaga. For generations, local fishermen would prepare quick, satisfying meals right on their boats or shortly after returning to shore. They needed something that was quick to cook. Time was precious after a long day at sea. Hearty and filling, providing needed energy. Made with available ingredients. Fresh seafood was abundant. Garlic, olive oil, and a touch of chili were pantry staples. Combine these with freshly caught shrimp, and you have the beginnings of Gambas al Pil Pil. It was a practical, delicious way to use their daily catch. The evolution into a culinary star. What was once a simple fisherman's meal slowly moved from the docks into local taverns and family kitchens. People started appreciating its delicious simplicity. Its popularity grew steadily, eventually becoming a staple not just in Andalusia but across Spain. Now, you find it on almost every tapas menu, a testament to its enduring appeal. The name Pil Pil itself hints at the gentle, rhythmic sound the sauce makes as it emulsifies. It's that simmering sound as the oil, garlic, and chili juices combine. You can almost hear it, right? The essence of freshness. The heart of an authentic Gambas al Pil Pil lies in its ingredients. While the recipe is simple, the quality of each component really matters. This is why fresh, local produce is so important. Consider these key elements. Shrimp. They must be fresh, ideally wild-caught. Their natural sweetness shines through. Olive oil. A good quality extra virgin olive oil is non-negotiable. It forms the base of the savory sauce. Garlic. Use fresh garlic and plenty of it. It provides the dish's signature aroma and flavor. Chili. A touch of dried chili, often cayenne or a small guindilla pepper, adds that characteristic warmth. These basic ingredients, when fresh, create a dish that is both comforting and exhilaratingly flavorful. It is a reminder that sometimes, the simplest things are truly the best. Key ingredients. The pillars of Pil Pil perfection. Creating incredible Gambas al Pil Pil is all about the quality of a few essential ingredients. Think of them as the building blocks for a truly unforgettable dish. Each one plays a critical role in developing that signature flavor profile you know and love. Let's break down what makes each component so special. Fresh shrimp, the star of the show. The shrimp truly are the heart of Gambas al Pil Pil. Their freshness makes all the difference. When you pick shrimp, consider a few things. Wild-caught shrimp often have a more distinct, sweeter flavor and firmer texture compared to farmed varieties. Why does this matter? Because their natural taste really shines through in such a simple dish. Size also plays a part. Medium to large shrimp work best because they cook quickly without overdoing it. You want them plump and juicy. Varieties like Argentine red shrimp are fantastic for their sweetness. Tiger prawns offer a great bite. Whichever you choose, freshness is non-negotiable. Olive oil, the golden elixir. This isn't just any cooking oil, it's the base of the entire pil pil sauce. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is key. It's what infuses with the garlic and chili, ultimately becoming that rich, savory liquid you'll want to sop up with bread. Think of it as the canvas for your flavors. A good olive oil will have a fruity, robust taste that complements the other ingredients. Different regions produce oils with unique qualities. For example, a delicate Arbequina olive oil from Spain will offer a different nuance than a more peppery picual. Choose one you love the taste of, as it truly impacts the final dish. Garlic, the aromatic foundation. Garlic provides the unmistakable backbone of Gambas al Pil Pil. Its aroma and sharp flavor are central to the dish. How you prepare it matters. Slicing garlic thin often works best because it allows the flavor to release steadily without burning too quickly. Minced garlic can be used too, but watch it closely. The goal is to gently toast the garlic, turning it fragrant and golden, not brown or bitter. This slow release of garlic essence into the hot olive oil is what creates such depth of flavor. Chili, the spicy kick. For many, the gentle heat of chili is what makes Gambas al Pil Pil so addictive. Traditionally, dried guindilla peppers are used. They give a subtle warmth without overpowering the other ingredients. You can also use fresh bird's eye chilies for a brighter, more direct heat. Adjusting the spice level is easy. If you prefer less heat, use fewer chilies or remove the seeds. For more fire, add a bit more or lightly crush them to release more capsaicin. The goal is to add a pleasant warmth that enhances the shrimp and garlic, not to scorch your palate. Parsley, the fresh finish. Don't underestimate the role of a simple garnish. Fresh parsley adds a vital touch to Gambas al Pil Pil. Sprinkling chopped parsley over the dish just before serving does a few things. First, its vibrant green color makes the dish visually appealing. More importantly, it adds a burst of freshness. The clean, slightly peppery flavor of parsley helps to cut through the richness of the olive oil and garlic. It brightens the overall profile, offering a perfect balance that rounds out the dish beautifully. Knowing its history and essential components is the first step to mastering this recipe. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.